In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beaded ring using ladder stitch. And if you're a beginner, this tutorial is perfect for you. Here's a screenshot of all the materials you will need. In this tutorial, I will be using black thread so it's easier to see, but I suggest you use Crystal FireLine so it's less visible. Today, I'll be using my Tropical Horizons Delica mix and gold Delica beads. So let's get started. Cut about 30 inches of thread and thread your needle. First, pick up 6 beads. If you wish to use the pattern I created, pick them up in this order, but you can use any pattern or just string the beads randomly. Slide the beads to the other end of the thread, leaving a 6 to 10 inch tail. Now thread the needle back up through all 6 beads. Then pull the thread all the way through. Then maneuver the beads to form the start of 2 columns. Now thread the needle up through the first 3 beads in the first column. Pull all the way through and give a little tug. Now down through all 3 beads in the second column. Pull through and give a little tug to align and secure the beads in place. Now we're ready to add more columns. Pick up 3 beads. Now at this step, you always want to insert the needle in the end opposite of the end the thread is coming out. So in this case, thread the needle down through the 3 beads in the second column. Pull through and give a little tug. Then at this step, you always want to insert the needle in the same end the thread is coming out. So in this case, thread the needle up through all 3 beads you just added. Pull through and give a little tug. Pick up 3 beads. Thread the needle up through the 3 beads in the third column. And back down through the 3 beads in the newly added fourth column. Pull through and give a little tug. And now you just repeat this process until you reach your desired length. This is based on the measurement of your finger. You can use a string and ruler to help measure. I'll add 4 more columns with you. Once you reach your desired length, you need to stitch the two ends together. Align the two ends, thread your needle through the 3 beads of the original first column, through the last column, and back through the first column again. Pull and tug to secure the ends together. Now, using both ends of the thread, tie a knot. You can also add a dab of glue for extra security. Now, all we have to do is weave the thread ends back and forth several columns, starting with your working thread. Then snip off your working thread. Thread the needle onto the tail end, again, weave back and forth through several columns. And the last step is to snip your thread. And that's it.